The ketogenic diet is a popular and effective way to shed some extra weight or maybe do a reset after a period of indulgence. Just because you're on keto right now does not mean you have to miss out on all the fun and all the flavor. In today's video, I have for you 3 tasty and easy keto-friendly and plant-based mocktails. Also, we are not just going to be avoiding carbs and sugar, but we are going to introduce a little bit of healthy fats as well. So stay with me. First, we'll need to grab some ingredients. We're going to need our healthy fats as promised, a sweetener, and an interesting base. Hi! Okay, so these are the 3 ingredients that we are going to be using for all 3 of our mocktails. We are doing slight variations on each of them, and they're going to have different flavor profiles, but this is going to be our base. Macadamia oil, which is a healthy fat that's delicious. It's going to bring a nice mouthfeel to our mocktail. It is heart healthy, it's good for your skin, and if you're doing keto, you already understand being fat adapted and introducing healthy fats into your diet to make sure that you're getting that fuel. The macadamia oil is going to pair very well with our next ingredient, which is lemon myrtle tea. This is a bright, refreshing, lemony, grassy tea. It is also really good for your skin. It's chock full of vitamin C, which vitamin C helps build collagen. It helps repair tissue. It's an anti-inflammatory and an antioxidant. It's really good for your sinuses and anything bronchial. It's good for acne. But what I really like about it, it is really good for indigestion. And sometimes when you're switching over to a diet that you're, have an uptick in your protein or your fats, or however you switch around your macros, you could have some indigestion, some disturbances in your digestive system. So this is going to help with your indigestion if you experience that. And then we're going to be using liquid stevia as our sweetener. So if you prefer monk fruit, that will interchange here just as easy. So let's get started with our mocktail. For our first mocktail, we're going to start with 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of macadamia oil. You're welcome to use more if you'd like. Then we're going to add 4 drops of stevia. You could also use monk fruit sweetener and adjust this to your taste. Then we're going to add 2 ounces lemon myrtle tea chilled. Then we'll add 3/4 ounce fresh lemon juice and 3 dashes of bitters. I'm using Bab & Louie cherry non-alcoholic bitters, but you can use whatever ones you'd like or whatever you have on hand. Then we're going to ice up our mixing glass and give it a really good shake. Then dirty pour that into a highball glass. Top off with fresh ice and flavored sparkling water. I'm using Beach Plum, but you can use whatever you'd like. Then we're going to sprinkle with a little bit of sea salt. This is going to bring out that butteriness of the macadamia oil. And then we're going to stir that up really nicely to blend everything together and garnish with a few lemon twists. And there you have it. For our next keto mocktail, we're going to be doing a salt and pepper rim. I just mixed equal parts black pepper and sea salt together. Then we're going to add 4 to 6 fresh raspberries. Then we're going to add a small handful or about 8 to 10 cardamom pods to a mortar and pestle. We're going to grind these out to release them from the pod and to release the oils and the fragrance. You're more than welcome to use ground cardamom, but this is going to give a really bright, bold flavor and aromatic. Once you've done that, you're going to want to remove the outer pod
from the cardamom before you add it to your mixing glass. Add that to your mixing glass. And then we're going to add our 1/4 teaspoon macadamia oil and our 4 drops of liquid stevia. Give that a really nice muddle. And then add your 1 ounce fresh lemon juice and 3 ounces of lemon myrtle tea, followed by 3 ounces of frothed aquafaba. Ice up our mixing glass and give that a really good shake. Then we're going to add a big fancy ice cube if you have it. If not, that's okay. Any ice will do, or you don't actually need any ice. And double strain that over the top. And then we're going to garnish with a big lemon swath. And give that a little twist. And there you have it. For keto mocktail number 3, we're going to start out with 4 drops of our liquid stevia, followed by 4 to 6 fresh mint leaves and 2 slices of serrano pepper and 3/4 ounce fresh lime juice. Give that a really nice muddle, and then we're going to add a few dashes of smoked chili bitters. This is optional. It just adds a little bit of complexity and smokiness and extra spice. And then 2 ounces of our lemon myrtle tea, followed by, of course, the 1/4 ounce to 1/2 ounce of our macadamia nut oil. Then ice it up and shake it. Make sure to emulsify all that oil, and then really pour it into your favorite glass. Make sure to get all that mint and those peppers, and add fresh ice and top with sparkling water. I'm using coconut sparkling, which I recommend, but you can use whatever you have on hand, and garnish with a lime wheel and some fresh mint. Make sure to spank that mint to awaken and release those oils. And there you have it. A beautiful keto mocktail. For more mocktails, watch these videos here and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.